Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Before going forward, today we will see what we did yesterday. For a few minutes, we will take the revision of yesterday topic, and then we will move forward. Yeah. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yes.
So first, we will see the revision of yesterday. So what we saw yesterday, we were seeing what are the text preprocessing methods. What are the different methods that are used in NLP? First method we saw was tokenization. So what is tokenization?
Breaking down text into words.
Yes, breaking text into basic form, we can say basic form. So what are the different tokenization we saw? First one was split method, right? Then
Word tokenizer in a character.
yes, word tokenize. Then we saw send tokenize. Then we saw like regex based that will split on punctuation and white space. That was word punct. Then we
White
saw
space.
yes, white space tokenizer. So these are the basic tokenizer that are we can use using NLTK. But because of some limitations of these tokenizers, that they are not splitting sometimes correctly, or the vocabulary created by these tokenizer either be too larger or they might not contain some words. So out of vocabulary problem we are getting, right? To solve that problem, then what we saw, another type of tokenization, that one subword tokenization. So in subword tokenization we saw three methods. Which one was first one? Byte pair encoding. Then we saw word piece and sentence piece. So which famous, like which model uses this one? Are you able to remember? Yes, GPT. Model will use. And for word piece, which model will use? BERT, right? And for sentence piece?
XLM.
Yes. So in this byte pair encoding, what we were doing, we are merging frequently occurring characters, right? That pug, hug, and hugging, some example we saw. So what byte pair encoding was doing, it was merging together the characters that are most frequently occurring together. So again, one more question, it was base vocabulary. That means the number of characters and how many times we will merge, that is number of merges. How many times we will be merging like this? Yes.
That was hyperparameter.
Yes, it was hyperparameter. And we also saw GPT is like GPT's number. What size GPT has? Vocabulary?
OTK.
Yes, GPT has this vocabulary size. Out of that, 478 are base characters. Base characters, and plus 40k times we are merging. So next we saw word piece. What was the main difference between word piece and byte pair?
Instead of frequency, they will check what are the likelihood of occurring that numbers, that text.
Yes, correct. So word piece does not choose most frequently occurring characters. Instead, what it will choose? But character pair with maximum likelihood.
Likelihood.
Yes. And what was formula for that? For calculating likelihood? So probability of pair, like probability of pair divided by probability of first element into probability of second element. Probability of, okay. So what will happen, like if we use likelihood instead of most frequently occurring character, then what difference is it make? So it word piece was checking like it is really worth it to merge two characters together. So if few characters are there, if they are occurring separately also more times, so there are no meaning to combining these two, right? So consider we have some word like er, bigger, smaller, but before that most of the times one more word is one more character e is there. So should we combine these two? No, right? So for this word piece will use likelihood instead of frequency. Then we saw sentence piece. So here in byte pair encoding, what was happening? We are first splitting based on white space, and we are using that word. But some languages such as Chinese, Korean languages don't have white space. So for that, for handling that languages, so what sentence piece will do? It will use space as a set of character as. Are you getting? So if we have two words like two and words, so what byte pair encoding will do? The characters will be T, W, O, W, R, and D. But in sentence piece, one more character will be added, that is space. Right? For space, this O and space probability or that frequency will be calculated, and space and W frequency will also be calculated. So what was happening in sentence piece? We are including space in set of character. Include space in set of characters and then use byte pair encoding algorithm. To construct vocabulary. Yes, that much we saw. Then again we move on to the normalization methods. Text normalization methods. What method we saw yesterday? First we saw lower casing. Then we saw
Remove punctuations.
yes, removal of punctuations. Then removing of stop words. For that we saw implementation in NLTK, SpaCy and GenSim. 3 libraries implementation we saw. And after stop words we saw stemming. So what is stemming?
Converting words into their
Converting,
root words.
Yes. Converting words to root stem or base stem, we can say. Base stem. So there was 2 problems that are frequently occurring while doing the stemming. What were that problems? One was
Overstemming, understemming.
yes, correct. Overstemming and understemming. So what is overstemming? In overstemming, what was happening? 2 or more unrelated word result in same stem, right? Result in same stem. For that we saw news and newer. Both are getting converted into new. But these 2 are completely different words. And here 2 or more related word result in different. Yes. So we saw 3 methods, like 3 algorithms for this stemming. Which one was that? First
Porter,
one,
Snowball, Lancaster.
yes, Porter, stemmer. Then snowball, stemmer. And then Lancaster. So what is the difference between these 3?
Porter only support English language, Snowball support multiple languages, and Lancaster is the aggressive stemmer.
Yes, Porter stemmer only was supporting English, so that is why they invented snowball stemmer, and Lancaster was aggressive, so it might give problem with overstemming. Then we saw lemmatization. So what is lemmatization?
Convert into actual word.
Base,
Meaningful word.
yes, base meaningful word. That is called lemma, right? So for proper working for lemmatization, we need to give some value. What was that values? We saw.
Switch of 10 part of switch tagging.
Yes, part
Yeah.
of which we have to give for proper working part of speech needed. So these all we saw yesterday. So any questions you have on this? Yes. So if you are doing some work, consider you are doing only information retrieval. That means you are building like Google. Like if you ask some keywords, based on that keyword, you have to fetch some data. So in that case, stemming will be appropriate. Like you are only checking running or ran something. You are only checking run base form. In that case, stemming will be appropriate. For lemmatization, if you want to get the complete picture, like word should be meaningful. In that case, lemmatization we will see. And also, some of you like message me, you are not understanding like in which step to do in which order like this. So don't worry about this. When we will be covered all the basics, then we will see in for 1 or 2 days like how to approach any NLP problem. So in there you will get the complete pictures, like where to use lemmatization, in which order you have to do all these steps, or which algorithm to choose for your particular problem, when to go for LLMs, all the things you will understand. And second one is also some of you asking for interview questions and assignments. So
Yes.
yeah, so previously it was not in plan. So yesterday I sat and I created some questions for assignment and interview also. So what I was thinking, we will like after 1 week completion, I will give you questions about for that complete week syllabus, like for assignment also and interview also. So your job is to prepare that. And since most of you are working, for them it might not be possible. So what we will do, we will choose one particular day of week. On that day, we will discuss that interview questions or whatever the assignment is. So, but
Okay.
yeah, but that here you have to complete this assignment and you have to give the answer to assignment questions. डिस्कशन मतलब ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि सिर्फ मैं ही बात कर रहा हूँ, आंसर भी मैं ही दे रहा हूँ और क्वेश्चन भी मैं ही पूछ रहा हूँ. राइट, आपको भी करके आना पड़ेगा. So any questions about syllabus, like some suggestion you want to give? Anything?
As of now, no, sir.
Yeah. Okay, then we'll move on to our today's topic. So other, we saw some normalization method, like still some remain normalization methods are there. Which one can you tell?
Removing accented characters.
Yes, removing.
Accent.
Yes, yes. Then we will remove contractions. Then HTML tags. Again,
Spell correction.
yes, spell correction.
Remove stop words.
That one was completed yesterday, right?
Yes.
Removing URLs.
Yes, removing URLs. Then handling emoji and emoji ones. Yes.
Handling chats, chat words or slangs.
Yes. Chat words.
Handling email IDs and mobile numbers.
Yes, handling email ID. That one also we will see. So for all these, most of them, what will be needed? Regex is important, regular expression. So before moving on to this topic, first we will try to cover regular expressions. So most of you might be aware about regex. What are regex? Regular. Why we use regex? Can someone give?
If you want to extract particular
identify
pattern
for-
from the string.
Yes, to identify and extract different patterns.
Yes.
Yeah. So here I have one snippet. In this, some meta characters and some special character for needed for our identifying our character or for regex. These are all there. So one by one we will see what they will do. So before moving to that, you have to know what raw string is. What is raw string? Can anyone tell what is difference between raw string and regular string? So if I print \t, what it will print? It will give tab, right? These are escape characters. \n, \t. You remember?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. If I print this one, it will give. It will print tab. But what if I want this \t as it is? How we can print? If you give this
Double
R,
R.
yes, that also we
Raw
can
string.
give. Yes, / used for escape. But this raw string, it will treat this as a literal, as it is. So \t as it is, it will be printed. So this raw string we will be using in this one. So now we will see what are these characters. So for using this regular expression in Python, we have one library, import RE, that stands for regular expressions. So first we will get one string. Okay, A, B, C, some numbers. So this string we have. So now we will see what is like use of each one of one characters. So the method we will be using find all method. What this find all method will do? It will identify pattern and return it as a list. If multiple pattern are found, then multiple element in list will be returned. So here we will be giving our pattern. Whatever pattern we have to found, that we will give, and here we will be giving our string, that is text here. So first we will see how to get any string literals. If I want only ABC, will it give?
Yes.
Yeah, it is giving like two occurrence of ABC, from one is from here and one is from here. It is giving. So you might have noticed this ABC it is not giving. That means it is case sensitive. And also only ABC it will give. BCA or CBA something it will not be given, right? So all these characters, they have some special meaning. So what that meaning we will see. If we give just dot, what it means? Dot means it will return any character, any single character except new line. So here now dot means every character it will give, right? But what if I just want to find this dot? How I can get? If I try to find only dot, it is using this special character. Yes.
And passing
Square
curly
bracket.
braces.
We have to pass.
Sorry.
Curly braces.
Yeah. Curly
In square
braces.
bracket. We have to pass.
Yes.
this
Yes.
factor.
Curly braces are for range or numbers. So one method is square bracket we can give, and also we can escape it like this. If we escape, it will only give this dot, not the whatever the special meaning of that dot is. And also square bracket also we can use. So in square bracket, whatever you mean that it will find. Okay. Then we have \d. It is for digit. Any digit between 0 to 9, it will give. So here I will write one by one. So anyway, you have here, but still. So I will copy. So what now \d will do? It will give you every number between any number between 0 to 9. So if I run this, what I will get? So here all the numbers I am getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here 6, 7, and again from here I am getting 7. So one thing you can notice here. So whatever the small letter character is there, that their uppercase is doing completely opposite here for W also, for S also, right? So that pattern you can remember. Small d, if small d is giving digit, so what capital D will give? It will give every letter other than digit. If small w is giving word character, so what capital W will give? Any other character other than W, right? This one you should remember. So now if I give capital D, what it will give? All other characters other than numbers. Then this W, small w, what it will give? Any word character. That means any small letter, capital letter or numbers also it will give. Again, this capital W, it will give completely opposite of that one. So anything other than letters and numbers, here only we have dot. So that it has given. So here we don't have any spaces. Now we will give. So here, and also we will try to give new lines. Also something we will give here. So it has given everything, like every spaces, new line, character, instead of character and numbers. So what this yes will do? It will give you space characters. What space characters we have? Space, tabs, and new lines. So all the space, tabs, and new line it has given us. Now this capital S. What this capital S will give?
It will accept spaces in the order.
Yes, it will accept space, tab, and new line, and all other thing it will give. Yeah. So now we have this small b. What this b will give?
Boundary matches.
Yes.
Boundary matches.
Yes. So here, if I want to find this A, will I be able to get? Or I will try to find just A, small a. What it will give? We have two
Small
A's.
a
Right?
will give.
here is 1A and here is 1A, but it is giving just 1A. Why?
Because it start with A.
Yes, it will try to give only when something is at a start. So if I try to get this capital B, will it give? Yes, because it is at a starting. But if it is in something in middle, it will give. So if I want to find this A, what I have to do? I have to use
Capital B.
capital P. Now what will happen? Sorry. A. Now it is giving only this A, right? So what that this word boundary will do? If it is at the beginning of word or space or something, that only it will give. If it is not word boundary, then we have to use capital B. So again, these are some special character. This one is called caret and this one is $sign. So what these two will be used for? Caret will give if something is
Caret will show like starts with, and dollar will show like ends with.
yes. So caret will give it if something at the only beginning of the string. So only this beginning string it will return. Even if we have some AB here in between, it won't return. Or any other thing if you try to get, like even this B also, will it give? No, because it is not at a beginning of string. And what that dollar will do? Dollar will check the same thing only for end of the word. So hash then dollar. If you are checking for end of the word, so you have to give it at the end. So it is returning these hashes, and other thing it won't return. Up to here it is clear. So this
Yes.
one also we will add here. Now we have some this one. These grouping characters. So what this square bracket will give? Square bracket will match anything in between its bracket. So consider if I given A and 1. What it will give? It is like OR condition. Match either A or 1. So what it will do? It is matching all the A's and all the 1s. So even if I give B, so now and 1, what it will do? All the A's and B's and 1 it will give. So whatever the characters you are giving inside this square bracket, that all characters will be matched. And here one more thing, you can give in ranges also. This A to Z means all the small letters will come A to Z, right? So all the small letter it will come. For capital letters also we can do the same thing, A to Z. Here all the capital letters will be matched. Also for 0 to 9 also we can do.
Yes.
Yes. So and again we can combine these ranges. I can give like this. So it will matches A to Z and 0 to 9. All that. And if I want capital also, I can also give here. Yes, it is understood. Like ranges and the square bracket, how it is working.
Yes.
सर इसमें आर देने की जरूरत है क्या कोई
Yes.
रॉ स्ट्रिंग देने की जरूरत है क्या जब हम स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट यूज कर रहे हैं
Yes. Because sometime what will happen if we give some like inside this also, like before here some dot you want, like one character, and after you want to find this pattern. So in that cases that might fail. So whenever you are giving pattern, try to give it with R, raw string only. So again we have this caret. So this caret has two meanings. When it is in previous meaning, what we saw, it is checking if something as a at the beginning of a string. But here, what does it mean? If we give it inside a square bracket, it means except. So all these character previously we are getting, it will give instead, it will accept, and all the other characters it will give. Now here it is giving. So if we give this character inside the square bracket, that means accept. But if you give outside the square bracket, that means it is checking for beginning of strings. Then we have this pipe. What it will do? It is just for OR method. Like if you are checking EA and OR 1 2. So it will give all the EABs and 1 2. So it is just OR. Are you familiar with AND, OR, these operators? Yeah. The same.
Yes.
This is can be used as OR operator. So this one, like braces. These braces, what it will do? It is for grouping. So we can group together ABC. So when this will be useful, consider if you want to check A, B, C, and after that some digit is there or not. So what we can do, we can give like this, and then we can give our \D. So whatever the it is giving digit or not? No, right? Wait. So we will see going forward how how we will use these groups. Okay. Then next, what we have, these quantifiers. What they will do? Yes. So if you are giving any string, how if you want, like it is occurring multiple times. If you want a word character, but you want 0 or more occurrence, if it is like 0 or more times it is occurring, so what will happen? From here it will start, and up to there all the word characters are there. Up to here word characters are there. So all it will get in one string. Then here also the same thing. You are getting how it is working. So if you want to check only the numbers, like whatever the numbers, so what you can do, digit and star. This star is for one or more occurrences, and then plus we will give for
one or more occurrence.
yes. That star, this asterisk was for 0 or more, and plus is for 1 or more. Yes. If we have like only this question mark is for 0 or 1 occurrence, only 0 or 1. So all the like 0 or 1 occurrence of this digit will come. So if you want like digit occurring like only 3 digits you want, only 3 times, so we can give it in curly braces, like exact number. it will match. Like 3 digit it will find. So here 1, 2, 3, this is 1 digit it found, and here also 8, 7, 6, 1 it found. So we will do one thing. We have some phone number. Here, this is the phone number. So if you want to phone number, what we can do, we will simply give 10. So what it will do, it is not 10. Okay. Run and we'll give phone. Here. So all the numbers it found. If I give 5, what will happen? So what it will look, it will check from here, it will go to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It stopped, and then again it will start from here only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If 5 numbers are not there, then what will happen? It won't return any numbers. If I try 6, only this one it is coming, because it found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again when it started from here, 6 numbers are not there. That's why it didn't give anything. Okay. So sometime what we'll be needing, we don't want like this, we don't know exact number. We might know like ranges, like some number is between 5 to 10 numbers, 5 to 10 digit you want. In that case, this ranges also you can give. Here 5 to 10. So no one has 5 to 10, but if I give
5.
1 to 5 we will give.
5, comma 10, sir.
Comma is there, sir.
Yes, sorry.
Comma.
Yes. Now it is giving. So these both are included, right? This one minimum range and this is maximum. Both are included. So this all is clear. So now we will build like different patterns, and we will see. So let's consider we have one bigger string we will get. In that consider we have names. Names are like something, Mr. John. Then we have Mr. Smith. Then we have some phone numbers. Again we have some emails. So now from here, what I just want to get these names. So whatever started with Mr. So can you tell pattern for that? How we will find? If we like directly search Mr., it will only give this Mr. Wait, this string we have to give. Okay. So after Mr., what we want? We want this complete name. What we will get? How we will get? Any ideas? Can we like try to get whatever the words will come after? like this W, but one problem is there. In first name it is, dot is there, but in second name it is not there. So should we give dot or we don't give?
We have to do.
Okay. If
No, no,
we,
no. We have to pass it in square bracket.
okay, square bracket we will give.
Space. Dot and space.
Okay, dot and space. Now we'll see. Yes, but we can also do like this. Here you can see like 0 and more occurrence. What we have?
Yeah, star.
No, question mark for 0 and 1 occurrence.
So, sorry, 0 and 1. Question.
So what we can do? We can give question mark. And after this one, what we need? We need word characters. So for that, what we can do?
A to Z.
Yes,
Square
A
bracket.
to Z or
A to Z.
capital A to Z.
A to Z.
Yes.
Range.
Why
Range.
is it not coming now? Yes.
We
give
have to pass
range.
range in that.
Sorry.
Range pass करावं लागेल ना, तो स्टार घ्या सर.
Quantifiers.
Okay, here you want star. But
आणि
this
ते डॉट पॅटर्न मध्ये घ्यावं लागेल सर.
okay. Yeah.
Spaces also include space.
Also spaces. Okay. Now it is coming. So simply other thing you can do. You can give like this, and then whatever the characters \W. This one we have to give in square bracket. And after \W we have to give star. So but without this one we will try. So why it is not coming? Any ideas?
In place of dot, can you write just Mr.
Now
and,
add space before question mark.
Dot is considered as different. Yes.
So here what was happening previously? We are checking only for dot, but after dot some spaces are also there. So then now I want only 4 numbers. So it is easier. How we will get?
Array dot find out
Slash D.
and
Slash
Slash D and
curly bracketing.
/D and
curly braces 10.
okay. If I had number like this, now what we can do?
In square bracket.
Okay, square
Slash
bracket.
D, square bracket.
0 to 9 and
Wait.
I have
Still /D
Hyphen.
in square.
Slash D. Sorry. We have to give
/D.
range also.
range. Okay.
Range.
So 3 we can give.
Again, copy this 3 times.
Yes.
Yeah, but for last we have to give 4 times, right? Last we have 4 words.
Yes.
Why it is not working now? Yes.
Actually, you those
Yes.
square bracket one pattern
Bind.
द्यावं लागेल तो. Yes, sir. जो
Okay.
no, ते नाही तो नाही. थ्रीच्या नंतर जो स्क्वेअर कर्ली ब्रॅकेटच्या नंतर थ्रीच्या नंतर जो हे आहे का तो का तर हायफन. हा तो.
Okay. Again, it is not coming. Yes. Yes. Any ideas why it is not coming?
3,4 करावं लागेल का?
3, कुठे 3,4?
शेवटी
Okay.
range मध्ये.
Okay, we can try that.
नाही, आलं तर पाहिजे, चुकतंय काहीतरी.
Bind, we can give binding.
त्याचं
Yes.
केलेलं नव्हतं वाटतं पहिले.
Okay, now it came. So now again, now we want this Gmail ID. For Gmail ID, what we will do? Yes. Now we don't know for first letter how many characters will come, and also sometime numbers also will come. Yes. How we will handle this?
Slash capital D.
slash W.
Yes, /W we have to give. Then
At the rate.
Start in square bracket at the rate, out of side square bracket, out of the side. Okay.
yes, at the rate here or out
And-
of?
Okay. And
So this Gmail also will not be there every time. Something else will be there. Hotmail or
Mhm.
some company address will be there. So here we will give Yahoo. Okay, now tell.
Endwith.com can also work.
Yes, endwith.com will also work. But for this one, what we will do? Now up to here it is correct, but here you can see it is not giving number.
/W and we have to pass range.
Yes.
Or in square bracket we can pass small a to -z.
A to Z.
No, that was correct. Starting
0 to 9.
Again 0 to 9. Okay. Then
Square braces at the rate.
yes, for this we will give star. Like this you are
Star.
saying. Right.
Yes, and then
Yeah.
in pattern in that we can pass at the rate
At the rate.
square,
Here, right?
in square bracket. Yes.
Okay. Square bracket.
And again star.
Z.
Why star needed now?
So,
At the rate only will come one time.
Sorry.
Small A to Z.
Addresses
Yes.
Again A to Z and dot.
square A to Z.
A
Yes.
to Z, and we have to pass a range in that.
Range in that minimum 2 to 5.
Also
Star.
include dot.
We can give star. Yes.
Dot also include.
Now dot.
Now dot.
.com.
And now can we give directly .com?
Yeah, we can.
Yes.
Yeah, now these emails are coming. So any other ways are there? Like this one is also correct. If it is working, then it is correct. But any other ways or methods? Like with using these characters?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we,
small W.
yes, we will try with that one.
Yes.
सर नवीन सेल मध्ये घ्या ना नवीन
Slash
एक.
W.
Okay, okay, ठीक है.
/W.
Yes, /W
Star.
star
square braces at the rate,
Square braces. Okay. At the rate.
and then at the rate dot,
But that Gmail and Yahoo will be missed at the rate dot.
okay, yes, and then again square braces slash w star
Dash W.
And then
.com.
Yeah, it is also now working fine. So now next thing what will be needed. So consider here we have some PAN numbers. So what is the format of PAN numbers? Anyone remembers? For this, something will have like
5 digits.
characters.
5 digits, 4 characters.
alphabets.
yes, 5 digit, 4 characters, and one alphabet will have. Again, same we will do. And one alphabet. And some dates also we will check. 24. What is today's date? We will give 17/01/2024 4 and 18/01/2024. Yeah. So now we want to find this one, like PAN numbers. So that we can see the string, I will get here. Yeah. Now tell me pattern for PAN number. Yes.
Square bracket A to Z. And then
Square
range
Square bracket A to Z.
Range 5U.
Okay.
And
Range
then D.
range 5. Yes.
Then slash D.
Slash D.
Range 4.
Range
4.
4.
And again a square bracket A to Z.
Capital or small now?
Capital A to Z.
These are coming correctly now. Now with using this one, again, can we do? So here, instead of this, okay, because number will also come, we won't go there.
Yes.
Yeah. Now for this date you have to write. Yes. Now tell for date.
Slash D. Range 2.
Yeah. Before moving on, I will say one thing. Can we do like this? Is it valid?
No.
Yes. Is it valid or not?
Yes.
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 It is valid, but it is too redundant. So we will use range or something else, right? Yeah. So I will keep this also. So till now. For this date pattern, what we have to do? Backslash D. Range 2. Again square bracket hyphen. Yeah. And
4.
Yes, it is working. So now again we will see for different this one. Also, what we can get like different patterns. So consider now I will take this one. Wait. I will take machine some text, and from that we will try to find something. So anyone has worked on like financial report? Yes. So this is some definition of this one I have taken. Yes, anyone has worked on financial reports?
No.
Okay. So consider this paragraph we have. So we will give as a text. So in this paragraph, what I need some text between, like text comes before like one sentence coming before these numbers, like this one you are seeing 2 and here 1. So that complete sentence I want before this one. So how we can get? Yes, now we have this one as a literal square bracket. So if I try to give some square bracket here and 1, what will happen? What do you think? This 1 will come or something else will come?
All 1 will come.
Yes, all 1 has come, but I want this square bracket 1. So what I can do here?
Boundary matches.
Boundary matches. Okay, we will try that one. But boundary matches, what they will do? Any idea? Okay, we will try with
Yes,
boundary matches. So 1 only has come, right? So I want this square bracket and 1. For this, what I can do? Will this work?
Yeah, escape character. 1.
If you give like this, no. So here,
Group of characters.
wait, like this, and here in between we want some digit. It is not coming. Then what we can do? Anything?
Group.
Any idea? Yes.
Group.
Yes. This group we have to use. So what this group will give? Still it is not giving.
Sir, string घेतला आधी text पाहिजे.
Oh, sorry. Now it has come. But only 1 it is giving. We want square bracket 1. So again, we will try the same method. So all the digit it has come 1, 2, right? So if I want only 1 in square bracket, we can give. So now I want like whatever the things are previous to this one, how I can get, or maybe for after I want, like whatever the text I have after this one, I want, how I can get. Any ideas? Can I give star like W and star?
त्याच्यानंतर पॅटर्न घ्या, स्पेस घ्यायचं त्या स्क्वेअर ब्रॅकेट मध्ये A to Z and star, yeah, space A to Z, capital A to Z, small a to Z, and star outside of it.
Yeah, but I want spaces also. After recently also I want. So these are because of this punctuation it is not coming. Okay. So can I include punctuations also?
Yeah.
Here will it work?
We can take before star dot also.
Yes, before star.
Before star dot and then star.
Yes, this dot means any character it is coming, then it will come. So same thing if I want before this one, like whatever the before this one it is there that I want, then what I can do? Like after 4 or after this one, for that. So same thing can I give like previous to this one? How we can give?
Add the /d at the last for same pattern.
Yes, wait. So the same pattern. Yeah, this is correct. This is one you want, right? And after
star this pattern.
Yes, it has come correctly now. So it is when it is breaking, it is not coming after new line. If I want new line, then what I can do? Can I add here new line also?
Yes.
Here like this. Yes.
Slash yes.
After star.
Yes. Correct. Slash yes, we have to give. Wait. So no, not here. For before previous pattern, we'll give the same thing, then it will work. So what happened? Wait.
Before star slash is small s will work.
No, some pattern.
Pattern missing झाले sir.
Yes. This is equal to black shading. Yes, and here we want now this one. Now it is correct. No, Wait,
Last
this is correct. This is correct. This is correct. Up to here, it is correct. Star. This one should be okay. Dot star. Again, what is missing? Okay. Okay. Then A to Z dot star. Okay. From scratch, we will start.
Space,
Space before A to Z is missing. sir.
space,
Small
space missing.
Yes.
A to Z च्या आधी space.
Okay.
नाही मधी
Here,
bracket
here.
मध्ये.
Yes. Now, can we give here? Yes.
नाही सर आफ्टर पॅटर्न येते सर हा
Yes.
Before
No,
pattern
new
पाहिजे.
line it is coming, but if you want after
Yes,
new
yes.
line also, we have to give text. Here also we want
Yes.
some text.
We have to pass pattern in that.
Now where is many? After many, new line is coming. And then for this, why it is not coming? Can you give A?
Space,
A to Z we will try.
सर स्लॅश एस मस्ट बी बिफोर स्टार
Yes.
स्लॅश एस मस्ट बी बिफोर स्टार
Yeah, that we given previously, right? And here also this one was needed.
yes.
Yeah, after this one it is also one space because of this not coming. If we give like this,
Then slash W star, it will give the remaining. Correct.
and then if we give slash W star, now it will come. It should come. Many previous
Yes.
up to only space it is coming. Okay, then mostly we can say it is working. Now what we can find? Anything else? Yeah, most of the pattern we have seen. So we will stop here, and tomorrow we will get these all the things like remain, like how to remove contractions. Contraction means if we have word like can't we have, but if we try to directly tokenize or anything, what it will happen? It will become can, and these two, it should be get converted into cannot. Again, how to remove this? Yes, HTML tags. Then some spelling mistakes will be there. How to correct that spellings? URL removing. And this one will be important, like how to convert emoji into words. Like if we type some emoji, we have to convert that emoji into words, like for processing, right? And also we might need to remove that emoji. Some emoticons will be there that we have to handle, like some chat words. These all things we will see tomorrow. Any questions in this? So this snippet also and this notebook also I will share with you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Bye. Have a good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.